numbers we use for counting objects are called counting numbers. These numbers have names like 1, 2, 3, and so on. In English, they are written using numerals as 1, 2, 3, etc. These numerals are known as international numerals. The numerals in Devanagari script are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here's a table they have given below: international numerals and Devanagari numerals. Again, in that table, actually they have given the figure how to write till 0 to 9. In the next table, there are given few numerals in international numerals and also in Devanagari, and how to read a number and write it in words. Now observe this table properly, and then below they have given 4 questions. Solve them, convert into Devanagari numerals. More you get to learn when you learn about the 6-digit numerals. When we add 1 to a number, we get that next number. It's a simple. When you add 1 plus 1, you get 2. That is the next number. In the biggest 5-digit number, if we add 1, we get the next number. We are getting smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. 5 digits, biggest 5-digit number if they are talking about, it is 99,999, plus 1 is 1 lakh. They have shown here how you write it in units, tens, hundreds. Third point, to the left of 10,000's place, we get lakhs place. 1 lakh is 100,000, so half a lakh is 50,000. 1,000 notes of 100 rupees is equal to 100 notes of 1,000 rupees, which is 1 lakh. To the left of 10,000 comes lakh. When we learn about thousands, next 10,000 what we learn about, and then the bigger value of it is lakhs. 1,000 is 1 lakh. A half of 1 lakh is 50,000. Now, for reading 6-digit numbers, read the digits in 10,000s and thousands place together. For reading the 6 digits, you have to read 10,000s and thousands together. When it was only thousands place, you read 8 lakh, 6 lakh, 5 lakh. But when you have 10,000s place together, you read 85 lakh, 65 lakh. Now for example, 5,8,345. They are shown here how to write it in how you get in numerals and you have to convert in words. Second, 6,81,409. Again, this is just about thousands and not 10,000s. When you observe this properly, when you get a question like this, observe the figures properly and then write. Make the table like that when you write units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So you understand the figure, how much it is going above, and learn properly to write it in the words. It won't be difficult because you know which comes in what place. Now, first, 6,05,072. Here 5,000, but there are no 10,000s, so we write 0 in 10,000's place. we write 0 in the hundreds place as there are no hundreds. So in figure 6,05,072. Now here they have said 6,05,072. So the question looks simple because it's short. 6 lakh thousands, then 72. But where is 100? You don't have 100. So what do you write in that place? You put 0. When you know that something is missing, read the question properly first. Then when you know that there is something missing, now it can be 10,000s or thousands or 100 or tens or units or even lakhs. So read the question properly. If there's missing from which I said right now, then you add 0 to that place. Now 6 lakh was there, so in figure you write 6. Then 5,000. 1,000 they are talking about, but where's 0? Sorry, where's 10,000? They are not talking about 10,000 here. So you put 0 in the 10,000s place and then 5 in thousands place. Again 100 they are not given in the question. So you put 0, then 72. Second, 5,40,600. In this figure, there are not any thousands in the thousands place. So we write 0 in it. Since there are 600, we write 6 in hundreds place. There are no tens and units, and hence we write 0 in those places. In figure 5,40,600. Now they are talking about 5,40,600. Here again there's tens and units missing, so you add 0. Also there's no figure in the place of 1,000. They spoke about 10,000. So where comes the 40,000 here? In the 10,000s place. So you write 5 in 5 lakhs place, comma 40, that is 40 in the thousands place. Then 600, 6 you write and then add 2 zeros to it. Again I am telling you, read the question properly. If you get to convert in the figures, then you will understand where you have to put zeros. Make the table with the pencil where you can understand the lakhs place, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and units place. So this converting in figures and words makes it easy for you to know better. Zero adding is not very difficult in this chapter, so this technique is easy. Now introducing 7-digit numbers. In the greater 6-digit numbers, 9,99,999, if 1 is added into it, we get the smallest 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. Now when you add 1 to 9,99,900, that is greater 6-digit number, then you get 10 lakh, that is smallest 7-digit number. So we must make one row for 10 lakh to the left of lakhs place. Now we learned last about lakhs, then comes 10 lakh. Now we are learning about 10 lakhs. In Western countries, million is used for 10 lakhs, that is 1 million. The above value, that is 10 lakh, is also known as 1 million. Now if someone asks you 1 million, what is 1 million? Then you say 10 lakh. Because sometimes they give you another word. Now numerals are also called as international numerals. So this is another word for 10 lakh. Just as we read 10 lakhs and lakhs together, for example, earlier we learnt about thousands and 10,000s, how to read it together. Now we are learning about lakhs and 10 lakhs, how to read it together. First example, 56,28,743. 743. This is how you write in the figure. Now there is no zeros in the first example, so it's clear cut, you know where the figures are coming. 56 lakhs 28,643. Second, 50 lakhs 4,600. Again, lots of zeros here. So here, when the figure, you get to know how to write it, but while writing in the words, you cannot write 50 lakh 5 lakh 0 lakh 0,000 4,000. No, you have to write 50 lakh 4,000, because the 4 comes in the thousands place. So 4,600, because 6 is in the hundreds place, but there's no tens and units in this, so you don't write 00 in the figure, in the words. Now when you come to this point, to the second point, when you learn about, so we must make one more for the 10 lakh to the left of the lakhs place. They have given the example, like that is 10 lakh lakhs 10,000s. Write that, jot it down like that, and you'll understand which figure comes to which place. Expanding figures. Now, like I said right now, jot down this place of the value. Now the number 70 lakh 77,000, 77 lakh 77,777. In the number, the digit each place is 7. Each number is 7, but its place value is different. Now everywhere you can see just 7. In the lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, 10,000 place, everywhere there's just 7, but the value is different. Now I'll tell you how. When we write the place values of digits as an addition, we get the expanded form of the number. So the expanded form of the number 38 lakh 94,067 is 30 lakhs 8 lakh plus 90,000 plus 4,000 plus zeros plus 60 plus 7. Now this form, if you write, you know which is the 10 lakh is 30 lakhs 8 lakh 90,000 4,000 plus zeros plus 60 plus 7. Similarly, expanded form of 64 lakh 8,307 is 60 lakhs 40 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 8,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 7. It can also be written as 60 lakhs plus 4 lakh plus 8,000 plus 300 plus 7. Now we write the number form of the expanded from the expanded form. For example, 5 lakh plus 30,000 plus 700 plus 5. Here we have 5 in the lakhs place, 3 in the 10,000 place, 7 in the hundreds place, and 5 in the units place. There are no digits in the thousands place and in the tens place. Hence, we write zeros in those places. Therefore, the number is 5 lakh 30,000 705. This was the same as we learnt about 6 digits. How to put 0 when the value is not given. In the number 83 lakh 46,504, the place value of the underlying digit 8 and 6. Now we learn about the underlying digits. what is the value of those places. Here they have jotted down 8 and 6. 8 in the 10 lakhs place, hence its place value is 80 lakh, or the figure and the words they have given. 6 is in the thousands place. 6 is in the thousands place. So the place value is 6,000. Now here in the first point you learned about 0 and the second underlined digits, how to find the place value. Now we learn about bigger and smaller numbers. Of the two given numbers, the number having more digits is greater and the number with fewer digits is smaller. For example, comparing the number 38,01,456 and 8,64,312. Number 38,01,456 is having 7 digits. Now when you read both the digits together, you get to know which is 7 and which is 6, because the first figure was 38 lakh. It had lakh and 10 lakhs in its place, and the 8,64,000 figure had only lakhs in its place. So by reading only you get to know which is the 7 digits figure and which is 6 digit figure, and also which is greater, because 38 is greater than 8. So 38,01,456 is greater than 8,64,312. When the number of digits in this, you have to figure out what is bigger. When the number of the digits in the two given numbers is equal, their extreme left digits are compared. For example, compare the numbers 6,48,170 and 8,91,354. Both have equal numbers of digits. Now here there is no 10 lakhs place, just lakhs place. So you have to compare the extreme left, that is first digit of this value of this figure. Now we are taking 6 and 8. Of course 8 is bigger than 6, so here the greater value is 8,91,354. If two numbers having equal number of digits, say 6 digits, look at the digit in the lakhs place. Now as I said, 8 was bigger. If those are equal, we look at the 10,000s place to tell the smaller or bigger number. Now here there is another example. If the first digit, that is here where they are given an example of 5,46,321 and 5,46,312, both the digits first extreme left value is the same, that is 5. Here 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, thousands and hundreds are same, like 5 lakhs, 46,000 and 300 are same of both the figures. So compare the tens digit of both the figure. Now we have to come to the next digit, that is 2. 2 is in the tens place in the first figure, and in the second figure 1 is in the tens place. So 2 is bigger than 1. So hence 5,46,321 is greater than 5,46,312. Here there is a printing mistake. It's 46,000 and not 43,000. So you have to recognize, observe the figure properly, so you get to know which is smaller and which is bigger. Symbol is given here of the smaller and bigger, so you can compare the figures. Now if you jot down the values according to 10 lakhs, lakhs and its places, then you get to know. Like they said that you have to compare from the extreme left of the figures. From the start, you have to compare both the figures. If there's similarity in the figures, then you get to the next. Now, how we looked at the lakhs place, then at the 10,000s place, then 1,000, then 100. They were all same. Then we came to the tens place. If tens place was also same, then you go to units place. There would be some difference. So now you get to know better about this. Even if the value is bigger, you can compare. First we learned about 10 lakhs, and now thousands, and now equals. Introducing crores. If the biggest 7-digit number 99 lakhs 99,999, you add 1 to that, we get the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. Now after 10 lakhs we learn about 1 crore. The new place created to read this number to the left of 10 lakhs place is called crores. To the left of 10 lakhs place comes the crore. After lakhs we learned about 10 lakhs, which was the left of lakhs. Now we learn about the left of crores, 10 lakhs, which is crores. For example, 5 crore 8 lakh 36,052. This number is written in the words as 5 crores 8 lakh 36,052. Something more to this, on the left of the crores place are the places for 10 crores. After crores we'll get to know about 10 crores, then abja and 10 abja in that order. The place value of each of these is 10 times the value of one on its right. Now, when we learned about units, tens was 10 times bigger than units, then hundreds 10 times bigger than tens, then followed by thousands, followed by 10,000s, then followed by lakhs, then 10 lakhs, now crores. Then afterwards we learn about 10 crores, so that the value just increases 10 times. It doesn't get reduced or goes smaller or lowers. Writing the number. Now this example is based on the abja, how you write in figure and also in words. 2 abja 38 crores 4 lakhs 67,159. The figure looks very big, so it's better for you to jot down its places so you can convert easily in the figures without any confusion. This chapter is all about learning more and more about the values. So when you jot down its places, you won't get confused. This is new to your chapter, so for not getting confused, you can jot down. Otherwise, this lesson is very easy. Now here I have given examples. Write the number in words. There are few questions. Convert the numbers in words. Second, write the numerals. There are given questions in words. You have to convert in numerals. Exercise 2, write the place value of the underlined digits. How I taught you, underlined digits, you have to find the figure, jot down and then write figures. Exercise 3, write the following numbers in expanded form. Convert in expanded form. Write the number form in its expanded form. Now these expanded form you have to convert in the number. Exercise 4, compare the numbers and write the proper sign. You have to find which is the bigger and the smaller. Properly use the signs. Exercise 5, write the numbers in ascending and descending order. You have to You have learned about ascending and descending order in your previous classes, so convert these figures into ascending and descending orders. 6th exercise, write the smallest and the biggest. Convert these into the smallest and biggest, and you just use the figures just once. Below that, smallest and biggest. The second question is about making smallest and biggest 6 and 7 digit number from these figures. Do this exercise properly. It gets to learn more about things. It will help you understand this chapter well. If you don't understand this chapter, watch the video again.